Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Wednesday, so moments, and today we will learn the Happy Prince. And previous week already we have learned something about Happy Prince, and that where we were stopped, that Happy Prince, that the little swallow, it took shelter between the 2 feet of the Happy Prince's statue, and when he was trying to sleep, then 2 large drops of water had fallen on him, and when the third drop of water fallen on him and he looked up, that time he saw that the statue was crying, and when he asked who was he, then he told that he was the Happy Prince. So up to there, that we have learned, and that though he was Happy Prince, he was crying. So today we will come to the latter part, that what happened to Happy Prince, why he is crying, all these things. So the little swallow, he asked, then why are you crying? Then Happy Prince told that when he was alive, then he used to live in the palace, and then he was very happy. He lived in the palace, and he did not know what sorrow was, what the miseries were. But now, when after his death, when the people of his palace, they have of his kingdom, they have made him into a statue, and they have set up him high above the city. Then he could see all the miseries, all the ugliness, all the sorrows, all everything of his people. So that's why he is crying. And another thing he also told, that when he was a human being, when he was having a human heart, that time he did not experience sorrows or miseries, and he did not cry. But now, though after his death, though he is a statue and his heart is made up of lead, it is a leaden heart, still he is feeling for the people who are suffering, who are sorry, who are sad, who are having miseries, who are suffering from various miseries in life. So he is feeling for them, and he is crying. Then little swallow was telling that thinking himself that yes, that he is not of solid gold. Actually, outwardly, that Happy Prince's statue was covered with thin fine leaves of gold. So outwardly it was not possible to understand that whether he was made up of solid gold or not. So, when Happy Prince told that though my heart is made up of lead, it is leaden heart, but still I am feeling for the people, feeling for the persons who are suffering in miseries. So the little swallow he did not comment about that, but he was thinking that oh, that Happy Prince is not made up of solid gold. Then little swallow asked, then why are you crying? Then Happy Prince told that far from this place I can see, means that Happy Prince could see that a lady, a seamstress. Seamstress means lady tailor, who is earning her livelihood by sewing. She was a lady tailor, and that she is very thin, and she is worn, and her hand is red and coarse. Coarse means rough. Why? Because she is working with needle, and that her hand is pricked by the needle, so it is coarse, rough, and it is red. And she is so poor that and you know that this place is very much cold now. So that's why little swallow was flying for Egypt, but he could not go. Whatever. So it is very cold over there. So the seamstress, she doesn't have anything at home, and her child is suffering from fever, and that child is a small boy, and he is asking for orange. But the seamstress, she did not have anything to give the child but only river water. And then has swallowed the moment that the happy prince told that our small boy is suffering from fever. Then that the swallow told, I don't think that I like little boys. It was also his personal comment. Why that the little swallow, he was telling that he did not think that he was loving little boys, because small children, they actually irritate birds, irritate animals. They throw stones on them. So that's why the animal kingdom, the birds and the trees, they do not like little children. Even the people, they harm to them, whatever. So then then the swallow told, then what you want me to do? Then Happy Prince told that Happy Prince, it was a statue, and he was first fixed on a pedestal, on a solid platform. So he could not move. He could see only, but he could not move. He could not help anyone. So Happy Prince that requested the little swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you please carry the ruby from my sword hilt? Sword hilt means the handle of the cover of the sword, and there was a red ruby, and it was a precious stone. So if the swallow carried the the stone, the ruby, to the seamstress, and if he gave it to the seamstress, then the seamstress could get something by selling it. Easy. So that's why Happy Prince requested the swallow to do that. But the swallow told that it is very cold over here, and he was waiting for waited over there to just now he came over there. No? So he had to fly to Egypt, because now Egypt is a warm place, and that he thought that his friends already had reached over there, and they were just they were talking with the lotus. It was nothing but an imagination. That Nile river was there, and that summer season, so that means that lotus were bloom over there. So when the swallows, they have reached over there, they just talking with the lotus. So but the Happy Prince, he requested, swallow, little swallow, only one night you can stay with me and be my messenger. The way the Happy Prince requested the swallow agreed, and he had taken the ruby from the sword hilt of the Happy Prince, and he started flying. And he flew over the city, flew over the cathedral. Cathedral means that tower of the church. And how was the cathedral? That marble stone, marble, it's a stone. So nice sculptures were made high above the cathedral, means at the tower of the church. The little swallow, he was flying over the city, over the palace, and when he was flying over the palace, he saw that one beautiful girl. She came out from the palace with her lover, and she was talking about the ball dance, and which was going to give for her honor. And that she was complaining to her lover that the seamstress is very much lazy and she is not working properly, and this beautiful maid, this girl, she was thinking, worried about that whether she would get the dress in the proper time or not. Who was this seamstress? This seamstress. To this seamstress, this girl had given to make a certain gown where that nice embroidery of flower had to be made. And due to cold and due to hunger, due to poverty, the seamstress was not able to do her work properly. Whatever the swallow, he had flown away, and only one door of the window pane was open, and from there the little swallow, he entered into the room, and he saw that seamstress was very much tired and she had already slept. And that thimble, you know, that guard for the fingers, metal guard for the fingers, and that on the table she had kept the thimble, and laying down her head, that she slept over there, and the boy was shivering in fever, and it was a high temperature. Little swallow, he saw everything, and he put the ruby near the thimble. Why? Because when the seamstress would woke up, she would be able to see the ruby beside the thimble, because thimble is a very essential part for her, because whenever she would start sewing, that time she would need the thimble. And the boy was he could not sleep properly because he was suffering from fever. Little swallow, he was just felt pity for the boy. He came near the boy and he started fanning on the boy's forehead, and naturally it was cool, so the boy started telling it is so, I am feeling nice, I am feeling cold, so I think I am just recovering, I am getting well. Putting the ruby over there beside the thimble, the little swallow, he came back to the happy prince and told everything. And he also told little swallow that it is very much curious, though it is very cold over there, but still he was feeling warm. Then happy prince told that because you have something good, you have done something good for others, you helped others, so that's why you are feeling warm. That means that when we do something good for someone, that feeling is a very nice feeling, and that feeling gives us warmth. So that's why this little swallow, he was feeling warm, though it was a very cold. It was very cold that night, and then the little swallow slept. So up to here today. Next portion we will learn. So watch the video carefully, and whenever you will face any problem, obviously you will talk to me and I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.